My brother flew in from Canada to see us. He came to visit his daughter, my niece, who had the good sense to marry a Scotsman. So he's been teaching me your language. I love it. It's also another reason it's a special night tonight is it's our bass player Dan's birthday.